everybody. Today I'm going to show you the Story Maker tool. And it is Learn English Kids. And so click start, and then whatever subject you want to choose. Like if I want a detective story, you can choose your character and then choose it, click on it, and next, click next. There's a robbery in the story. What's stolen? Let me think. I know, a necklace. Oh, maybe let me try diamond. Necklace is fine. So then you can choose anything you want. So I will like the torch. If it is dark, then he can take it. That is funny. You can go by skateboard. No bike. No way, bikes. What clues did the detective find? Maybe some fingerprints. Who is the robber? I think the gardener. Yay! Now my detective story is ready. Now you have to read the story. I am Sheila Holmes, top detective. Last week, the police asked me to help him investigate a robbery. Someone has stolen a very expensive necklace from a billionaire's house. We need your help. I took my torch, went by bike, and hurried to the house. I looked for clues and found some fingerprints. I asked the billionaire, my manager, my cook, my waiter, my gunner, my chauffeur, my cleaner, replied the billionaire. I questioned the suspects. Then I searched the house. I know who the robber is. I found the stolen necklace. It's the gardener. So then you can replay and make another story if you want, like a fantasy or an adventure. So you can search for many. There is Story Maker 1 also, and I will show you that one also in the next video. Okay, bye.